Hello, meet Jose. He's 35 years old, and he represents the spirit of Latin American entrepreneurship. Just a year ago, he used his hard-earned savings to start his own engineering company. With a small team of skilled engineers, he successfully completed a number of small projects in the first year. He got a few projects and was able to hire a small team. But then, Jose landed his biggest deal 3 times his usual project size, bridge construction project with a contract value of 100K. But Jose didn't have the 30K he needed for materials and manpower to start the project. So first, he applied to a traditional bank loan. But the bank required at least 3 years of financial records, a minimum of 500K in yearly revenue, plus personal guarantees like an apartment or a house as collateral. Banks in Latin America have limited capital to deploy, so they are very risk averse when it comes to SMEs and require a lot of verification before they will lend to them. Even though Jose had assigned the project, the bank still didn't want to lend to him without the additional guarantees. So Jose tried to borrow the money from small lenders, but their interest rate were really high, more than 70% per year, which means he will lose money on the contract. In the end, Jose couldn't get the loan he needed. He couldn't commit to the big project and grow his company. There are more than 18 million SMEs like Jose's companies in Latin America facing the lack of access to financing from traditional lenders. So we created Efinti. We are a fintech solution for SMEs. We provide easy access to affordable insurance-backed loans without complex requirements or personal guarantees. We help SMEs access capital through global crypto investors who are looking for less volatile assets to earn yields. With an AI scoring system, we revolutionize SMEs credit evaluation by leveraging diverse data points and predictive analytics, ensuring rapid, accurate, and comprehensive loan risk assessment. Let me show you how it works. First, SMEs go to efinti.com and get onboarded with a few basic documents and complete the KYC process. Then, our AI scoring system calculates the risk level of the SMEs based on the company size, financial, and public track records. The risk level, low, medium, or high, is used to determine the interest rate and the insurance value. To access the capital, the SME registered their customers and suppliers on our system. And then they can upload any outstanding electronic invoices. And just within 48 hours, we can help the SMEs pay their invoices or wire money into the SME's bank account. Meanwhile, global crypto investors place their stablecoins in the liquidity pool and earn an average of 15% in annual yields. Depositors are confident about the risk level of their investments because all of our loans are insured. So we make money from the difference in the interest rate between the SME loan and the crypto investor yield, 12% per year on average. So there are more than 29 million SMEs in Latin America, and 61% can get access to loans. That means that the vintage lending market in Latin America is a 23 billion market, and this number is expected to grow 9.5% per year. And for crypto investors, 32 billion worth of stable coins are deployed to generate conservative yields. While many players in the financial space, like banks and other fintechs, target large corporations or specific sectors, Efinti is all about SMEs. By using innovative funding methods like stablecoin, we are not confined by traditional institutional barriers, and we can tap into global capital sources. We are 3 co-founders. I'm Andres Tobon, the CEO, who has worked at Corsoft scaling this technology company to 3 countries in only 2 years. Alejandra Gaviria is our COO, who has worked at Colombia, one of the largest banks in Latin America, for more than 7 years, and she went from sales to managing more than 30 branch managers in just 2. And Peter Pinedo, our CTO, who has worked as development project manager at Corsoft from the beginning, leading a team of 15 engineers and managing more than 5 different projects at the same time. In the last month, we disbursed more than 9 million in loans with a 43% monthly growth rate. of which more than 97% have already been recovered, and the other 3% are insured. Each month, we help more than 280 SMEs access financing, and these loans are funded by more than 2,000 active global crypto investors through our licensed crypto investment platform that currently have more than 10 millions in assets under management. And in the past quarter, these crypto investments have helped us to triple the amount of capital available for lending.